Hi everyone, welcome and welcome back to my channel. On today's menu, I have this amazing stuffed chicken breast recipe for you guys. Stay tuned because this one is definitely a winner. It's different from your typical stuffed chicken breast recipe. So here's another way you can make stuffed chicken breast. Before I begin, if you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let's get started. Alright guys, I've never done any prepping, but this won't take too long. First thing first, we're going to grate our mozzarella cheese. Now, if you want to skip the prepping part, I will have a timestamp down below for you guys. So check that out. So this is my freshly grated mozzarella cheese. Also, I'll be using some baby spinach. I'm going to chop them very finely. You can also use some frozen spinach if you like. Also, we have some artichokes that I'll be cutting or chopping very small as well. I will be using 3 garlic cloves. I am going to dice them very fine. To season the chicken, I am using Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, seasoned salt, ground black pepper, as well as some paprika to give it a nice color. Now, you also need your mozzarella cheese, as well as some laughing cow cheese. You can use cream cheese if you want, the artichokes, and also the baby spinach. I'll be using olive oil. I'm using some dry ranch seasoning as well, and also we have the minced garlic as well as 3 chicken breasts. So here's what you're going to do. I am going to take my spinach, pour it into a large bowl. And also I'm going to pour in my mozzarella cheese as well as the artichokes. And also I'm pouring in my laughing cow cheese. I believe this is Swiss cheese. You can use cream cheese like I said if you want. And here's the dry ranch seasoning. You're going to mix that together and give it a nice mix until everything is well combined. Now I am going to be adding my minced garlic in there and give that another mix. Next, we're going to butterfly our chicken breast. Now, before I season the chicken breast, I went ahead and add some olive oil on there just to help the seasoning stick. Now I'm going to take my seasoning and mix it all together. Now you're going to take the seasoning mix and generously season your chicken breast. Make sure you season the inside, the outside. Make sure you well season the chicken breast. Now you're going to take your stuffing and just stuff your chicken breast with that. Now if you want, you can use 4 chicken breasts for this stuffing, but I actually overstuff my chicken breast on purpose. But if you want, the stuffing alone can fit up to 4 chicken breasts. On a preheated cast iron, I am going to drizzle about 2 to 3 tablespoons of olive oil on there. Once that is nice and hot, you're going to place your chicken breast on there. You're not going to cook it. You just want a nice sear on the chicken breast. Keep in mind, we're going to bake these after. Now we're going to sear them for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until they're nice and golden brown, and flip it over. Allow the other side to get nice and golden brown. Once you're done, you're going to remove it from the stove and place it to a baking dish. You are going to bake this for about 20 to 25 minutes on 350. Now, once your 25 minutes is up, here's what you have. You have this beautiful, cheesy, super delicious stuffed chicken breast. Thank you so much for watching today's recipe. I hope you guys try this at home for your family. This will only take about 25 minutes, and the chicken was so juicy. It was not overcooked. The filling, the stuffing was amazing. I hope you guys try this out. If you enjoyed today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're new here, and I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.